Welcome to Doctor's World. Let us discuss pathogenesis of tuberculosis. First one, A. Infection before activation of cell-mediated immunity. First there is entry into the macrophages. When the entry of the bacilli occurs into the macrophages, then due to the presence of these receptors, mannose, C3b and others, mycobacterium enters into the macrophages. But into the macrophages, the fusion of phagosome with the lysosome does not occur in first 3 weeks, and due to which ineffective phagolysosome is formed and bacilli proliferate. Unchecked bacillary proliferation occurs and bacteremia with seeding of multiple sites occurs. Replication in macrophages occurs. Then there is B. Initiation and consequences of cell-mediated immunity. Now, the alveolar macrophages as well as dendritic cells present the antigens to the T helper cells. T helper 1 cells are activated. Furthermore, interleukin 12 activates the T helper 1 cells. These T helper 1 cells are responsible for this tuberculin positivity, that is a delayed hypersensitivity response to the tuberculin antigen. Interferon gamma is produced by the T helper 1 cells. Further activation of the macrophages occurs. These activated macrophages now can lead to the successful phagolysosome maturation and activation, production of nitric oxide, production of reactive oxygen species, and autophagy and mycobacterial killing occurs. Tumor necrosis factor and chemokines are further released that further recruit the monocytes, and further recruitment of the monocytes and formation of these epithelioid cells and multinucleate giant cells leads to the formation of granuloma. Granulomatous inflammation, this is known as granulomatous inflammation. What is the benefit of granulomatous inflammation? These granulomas halt the spread and further destruction of the tissues by bacilli. You can see the central area of curious necrosis surrounded by the large epithelioid cells and multinucleate giant cells, then sensitized T cells. This is the granuloma. So this is the pathogenesis of tuberculosis.